Hello friends, welcome to BITA Academy. Today we are going to discuss about tuple methods in Python. So first we will see what is index method. Index method will return the index position of a given element from the tuple. So for example, we have a one tuple. So consider we have a different types of input in the given tuple. So in this tuple, we want to get the position of the 77. So for that, what we have to do, we have to give the what is our tuple name, tupx, and what is our function name, index. So tupx dot index of 77 we have to mention. So it will provide the what is the indexing position of the 77. So we'll see with an example. Tup1 is equal to tup1 dot. We want to know the position of like. So what is the function we want to use? Index. Index of like. So what is the position? The indexing position will begin with 0. We know that. So 22, it begin with 0. 3.45 is 1. 6 plus 7 is 2. Again, this tuple takes the element as 3. And like this, fourth position. Okay. Like that, it will keep on take the indexing positions. Next method, we are going to see what is count. So count, it is used to count the number of occurrence of a given element. If we have the same element for the n number of time, we want to count that element means for that we can go for this count method. So in this example, we provide the 88 for repeated times. Okay, we want to count that particular 88 means we can go for this count method. So in that example, we can go for 22 itself. So 22 I have for repeated times. So print tup1 dot count of 22. So what is our output we are getting? 5. So 5 times the 22 is printed. Next, we are going to see what is the length of the given tuple. So len is a function used to know the length of a given tuple. After that, we can able to see maximum and minimum of the given element from the tuple. Okay, so if you have only the integer value from that tuple, we can able to find what is the maximum value and what is the minimum value. Okay. So tup2 is equal to max of tup2 print of tup2 and what is the length of tup2. So maximum value is 95, minimum value is 14, and what is the total length, which is 9. So these are all the inbuilt function for tuple. So in next video, we will discuss what is the set data type. I hope you all understand this data type. In next video, we'll see what is set. Thank you guys.